To use surface level on the edge screen, swipe left edge panel and then find tool. If you cannot find tool, you must turn on tools first. So open settings, swipe the notification panel and then tap settings icon. Select display and then scroll down display screen. Tap edge panels and then select panels. If tools is disabled, you must check to enable and then find tools in the edge screen and then tap more icon or three dot icon. Select surface level. Now you can use surface level up, calibrate or reset. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.